Hello everyone. We are going to get started with our Pow plus Tree persuasive writing for today. We have done this Pow and Tree a couple different times, and today I'm going to show you what it looks like to organize your writing for your persuasive opinion. You see here the same graphic that we have in our classroom. You see the mnemonic POW and you see the mnemonic tree. Well, we know that POW means to pick an idea or opinion. That's our first step. The second step is to organize our notes and generate ideas. And while we're organizing those notes, we use the tree system. The tree system is the topic sentence, the reason, the explanation, and the ending. Once we're done organizing our notes with the tree system, we write and say more. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's lesson. All right, so the first part is the P, the pick the idea. Here are some ideas that we came up with for our opinion writing. I'm going to choose that pets should be allowed in school. That is my choice for today. Pets should be allowed in school. All right. My next step is to organize my notes. And when I'm organizing my notes, I use the tree. And the tree stands for topic sentence, reason, explanation, and ending. Okay, so the first thing I do is I come up with a topic sentence or a topic idea. My topic sentence is that pets should be allowed at school. Okay, so now I need to come up with 3 to 5 reasons about why I think pets should be allowed at school. Well, first, I think they help people with their anxiety. Second, I think they provide a welcoming environment, which everybody loves. And third, I like to read to my pet, and I think other people do too. All right, so now that I've got my reason, I'm going to go on to my explanation. My explanation is that people would feel loved while their parents are working or while they're away from home. And then my ending, my wrap up, my conclusion is that these are just a few reasons why pets should be allowed to school. All right, so now I've got my notes organized in the tree system. Next is the W, the wow in POW. The W is the write and say. This is where I take all the information that I had on this last page, all this, and I make it into a paragraph. Okay, you'll see that I have finished this paragraph by adding information and saying just a little bit more about my opinion of why pets should be able to come to school. Once I'm done with this paragraph, I'm ready to move on to the editing phase.